Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me, but my boyfriend's gonna be voicing over this video, so I hope you enjoy. That's why we're at this setup right here. I'll probably be doing some low-key look. I'm not going anywhere. I just finished my exam and I'm super excited for that. Whew! I'm out of breath. But yeah, so let's just dive into the video.
Hello, my name is ZOnaMS and I'm Chrostina's boyfriend, and today I'm going to be voicing over one of our videos, I think. Yeah.
Hello honey bunny, you're my don't play. Hello.
First, you have to wash your face good. Okay, wait 1 minute. She's washing her face. She's washing her face. People, she's putting her cat ears to hold her hair, fanning her face. Oh, drying her face. She's drying her face, people. Why do you make weird faces, Chrostina? Pointing at something. Oh, she just teleported. She's spraying something. Oh, toner on her face and a bug spray, guys. Pointing at her dark pink spots. Not in focus, not in focus, not in focus. Essence. You put essence. She's rubbing the essence on her face, nose, forehead. Is that an eye drop? A little bit? Oh no, see, that's not an eye drop. I don't know what that thing is, and that's lip balm? Lip balm, see? Lip balm. No, you, oh, sunscreen, see, guys, come on. Oh, that's the lip balm. Yes, that's the lip balm. Yes, I got it. That's something in the bottle. You put it on the dark spots. Dark spots, okay. You put it under your eyes too. With one finger, you tap it under your eye. Under your eye and on the red spots. So it covers. You use that sponge thingy to balance, I guess. You hide your dark secrets under that one. Tap. That's a lipstick. Yes. Oh no, that's the kind of the same thing as the one before, but it looks more brighter. She made a mustache out of it. Hi. Now that's I don't know what that is. That's a brush. It's a paintbrush. Stop dancing.
Facts about me. I am a boy. I have 2 legs and 2 arms.
That's like a shadow. Gives you shadows. And your cheekbones to express your beautiful cheekbones, yeah? And your forehead. That's what is that thing? I had no idea. Concealer?
Nice. That's the meme. You know the meme? Nice. Sorry.
That's a lip balm. Tiger balm? Oh no. That's not a tiger balm, guys. That's a balm for your face. That's another type of makeup, I guess. She's putting it on her face. Eyelashes. She's gonna do the eyelashes, guys. Oh, eyebrows, not eyelashes. Maybe you guys should just count how many times she makes weird faces in one video. What's that? Oh, you're gonna do the eyelid. Now you're gonna do the eyelid. Nudes. Eee. That's all white stuff. That looks like a glue. First you darken it and then now you whiten your face. Oh, under the cheekbone and on the side of the nose, guys. Put it on the side of your nose. I don't know what that thing does, but yeah. You're not gonna rub the white one. You're gonna keep it like that. Maybe you're supposed to keep it like that. Doesn't look the same. I thought you were supposed to put the black one. Maybe it's Chrostina style.
Come get your watermelon. Come get your watermelon. Come get your watermelon.
It's a pink. There's a red one now. Not the red one, yeah? Just a little bit, she said. That's not a little bit, Chrostina. That's a lot. And that's a maroon one. You can use the small tiny brush on... Wait, what? Oh yeah, now you make the pointy one. And that's for the eyebrows. Yes. No, eyelashes. My mistake, my bad. So confusing. Humans are so confusing. Just putting under the eyelid. What is that thing she's putting on? I have no idea what she's putting on. She's making shiny? Shiny? Oh yeah, shiny. You put it on the cheekbones, on the tip of the nose to make it a bit shiny. That's a lipstick, guys. Everyone knows what a lipstick is, right? Another type of lipstick that you put on top of the lipstick. Brush more brush. Now it's on your face. Yes. Oh yes, another type of spray. Oh no, she's done. See, so stylish. Transformation complete, my friends. Bye guys, have a good week.
Hello, honey bunny. You're my dumpling. Hello, honey bunny. Actually, it's like you're my dumpling.